another Turbo C6 from Lethal Performance. This is a black C606. Of course, on those RTSs, looking awesome. Now, what can you tell me what's in this bad boy?
This car is Nightstick. If you look at the plates, the name of the car is Nightstick. It's an ERO 427 with masked LS3 heads and a TTIX twin turbo kit, 62mm turbos.
Oh, it's running an LS3 head. Okay, that's definitely different. Okay. What type of intake is this?
That's a precision racecraft.
Okay. Okay. And what size turbos are on this?
62s.
Oh, okay. So you're significantly smaller than this car.
Yes.
How much power is it putting down today?
Well, it's right at 1100.
Okay.
Yeah.
And looks like I don't know if you can see it, but is that a manual in there?
It's a six-speed. Still a six-speed TR6060.
Nice. What stock 6060?
No, it's a build trans. It has axles. It has a carbon fiber drive shaft. I mean, they've broken the torque tube twice already, so they upgraded to
Holy cow.
Carbon fiber. Yeah.
Now, what's the fastest this car is done?
I think in the quarter mile, I think it's trapped like 158, 159 in the quarter.
Wow. What's the ET?
Mid-nines. Mid-nines.
Wow, that's freaking awesome. Does this ever see the street?
Oh yeah, we drive it everywhere.
Nice.
Drive it everywhere. We took it to Streetcar Takeover in Dallas. I drove it myself to Streetcar Takeover in OKC, and it's fast.
So being a turbo car in a 6060, if you're on the freeway, it's probably getting pretty decent gas mileage.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's freaking awesome. Well, once I get the Vette done, I plan on coming back up there one time, and we'll have to go bang some gears and whatnot. What do you think?
Absolutely. Yeah,
Hell
we're
yeah,
down.
man.
We're down to play anytime.
Appreciate the interview.
No problem.
Cool, man.